Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the BigPassport USB headphones with mic and sound controls. These headphones are the wired on-ear type, which means that the headphones sit on top of your ears rather than around the ears. As we can see here, the front of the package includes some imagery of the product and some salient features at the bottom. The salient features also include the use cases like call centers. It is also compatible with Windows, iOS, Zoom, and Skype. On the left and right hand side of the package, we can see some alternative products from the same brand, and the one that we have here has been ticked. There's nothing at the bottom, and on the top there are some more features of the product. The features include USB plug and play, noise cancellation, HD voice, 330 degrees of adjustment, soft cushions. The product is anti-electromagnetic. It has a flexible fit and is very lightweight. At the back of the package, we have some more detailed information of the product. Here we have the speaker parameters like the diameter, the impedance, the sensitivity, noise level, and other key features. Here we have the parameters of the microphone. The microphone features noise cancellation. It has a sensitivity of -58 decibels and is omnidirectional. Another feature to note is that the cable is 2 meters long. Here we have some warranty related information, but we advise that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. Here we have a thank you note which also includes the warranty information. We have a user manual that shows off all the relevant features of the product, and it is in multiple languages. Getting to the product itself, we can see that it is very lightweight and has a 2-meter long cable. The end of the cable has a USB-A interface. The product also has an inline remote which can be used to control various functions. The ear cups are made out of sponge, and we also have a completely adjustable microphone. The headset can be adjusted to fit all head sizes. On the side we have some BigPassport branding and ProTech branding on the right hand side. This has been the unboxing of the BigPassport USB headphones with mic and sound controls. Thank you for watching.